Robin. It is the first phone that's designed to never run out of space. What that means is that there's 32 gigs of local storage on the device itself and 100 gigs in the cloud.
You've owned the phone for a year.
What Robin does is that it smartly manages your app APKs and your photos. So if you look on this one, this app right here has been offloaded to the cloud so that you never get the notification that you've run out of storage. So when you're plugged in and on Wi-Fi, Robin syncs all of your apps, just the APKs, not the data stays on the phone, and your photos to the cloud. So that when you're out on the mobile network and you're taking a video or you're taking a picture, and normally you would get the notification that says, hey, you're out of space, you need to delete something. Robin will actually delete it for you. And that starts at 2.1 gigs. So I can show you what that looks like in a photo.
The full res photo to screen res. So as you're going through the gallery, you won't notice anything.
So this photo here, you can tell it looks a little bit gray because that's not actually full res. So when you go like this, it says you're restoring the image. Because we're on Wi-Fi, it'll do this automatically. The Wi-Fi here is a little bit slow.
And then you can zoom out. Once it's fully restored, I can zoom in.
But once it's fully restored, you can zoom in and it'll see the full photo.
Not a low-res photo anymore.
With apps, it's something similar.
You can. So there is.
I tap on this to restore it. If I were out on data, it would ask me if I was sure. The way you can tell is that these lights light up when you're doing anything with the cloud. If you're offloading or if you're bringing things down, these lights will light up. If you don't want, and then you can see the color is coming back.
Backup here is Wi-Fi only.
And if you don't want an app to be offloaded, you pull down and it's pinned, and that app will never go off to the cloud. It's stock Android, except for a small panel right here. These are your archived apps. Right now, it's just Trello.
Or you can choose nothing at all.
And these are your pinned apps, so apps that will never leave the phone.
Store just opened last Thursday. We sold out on Saturday, but we should open the store again in another couple days.
We are venture-backed. Google Ventures and Excel. Our executive team comes from HTC and Google, the Android team, all the way from 1.0 to Honeycomb. And Scott actually was the SVP of Design and User Experience at HTC for almost 10 years. So the team's got some good background. So Nextbit's got Robin's got a Snapdragon 808 processor, a 13 megapixel rear-facing camera, and a 5 megapixel front-facing camera. It's got a fingerprint sensor integrated into the power button, and let's see what else, Samsung sensor in the camera. So Robin comes in two colors, a midnight and a mint. And while this looks black, it's actually a very, very deep blue. Robin also has two dual front-facing speakers, so it's super loud and clear. It's got a front-facing 5 megapixel camera and a 13 megapixel camera on the back.